This video walks you through how to pause a subscription in Stripe. Begin by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account details. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the navigation area where Stripe lists the sections of your account. From there, go to Subscriptions so you can view the active and past subscription records connected to your account. On the Subscriptions page, find the subscription you want to pause and open it. Take a moment here to make sure you selected the correct subscription before you continue, especially if there are several with similar details. Opening the subscription brings you to its full record, where you can review its current status and available actions. Next, move to the upper right corner of the subscription page and click the three-dot menu. This menu contains additional actions for the subscription that are not shown as primary buttons on the page. When the menu opens, choose Pause Subscription. Stripe will then display pause options for this subscription. At this stage, choose how you want Stripe to handle invoices and payments while the subscription is paused. Read each available option on screen and select the one that matches how you want billing to behave during the pause period. This setting matters because it controls what happens to future invoices and payment collection while the subscription is not active. After selecting the billing behavior, review the pause settings before confirming. Check that the selected option reflects the outcome you want for this subscription. If anything does not look right, adjust it here before moving forward. This review step helps avoid pausing the subscription with the wrong invoice or payment handling setting. Once the settings look correct, click Pause Subscription to confirm the change. Stripe will process the update and return you to the subscription details or refresh the page. If the page takes a moment to update, wait for the status and action area to finish loading before you continue. To confirm that the change was applied, return to the subscriptions page. Find the same subscription again and verify that its status has been updated. You are looking for the subscription to reflect the paused state, which confirms that Stripe saved the change successfully. If you are managing more than one subscription, this final check is useful because it confirms you paused the intended record and not another one with a similar customer or billing pattern. Once you see the updated status, the process is complete and the subscription will remain paused according to the settings you selected. The subscription is now paused in Stripe and its status has been updated accordingly.